Welcome to a new era of content creation with Topview AI. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you a powerful and easy-to-use new feature that is about to change the way you showcase your products. This tool is known as Product Avatar. With Product Avatar, you can generate lifelike avatars that can talk, move, and promote your products with style and clarity. No cameras, no actors, just pure efficiency and creativity at your fingertips. Say goodbye to expensive photo shoots as you create studio-quality product visuals in just a few clicks. With Topview AI, your content is smarter, faster, and more stunning than ever. I know it's getting interesting, right? Now, I want you to relax while I take you through these easy steps. Open your browser and type Topview AI, wait patiently and click on the first link. After clicking the first link, you'll be taken straight to the Topview AI interface, where you can sign in and get full access to all the powerful tools, including the brand new Product Avatar and Product AnyShoot features. Click on Sign In, followed by any of the options. Provide your details and complete the sign-in process. Now, welcome to your dashboard where you are going to create the magic. You can explore to check other tools and features as you take full control. Now, I'm going to show you how to work with Product Avatar, specifically how to create super realistic avatars that talk, move, and show off your products in a fun, clear, and engaging way. Stick with me, you won't want to miss this. Click on Product Avatar. On the next page, carefully look through the provided avatar gestures that matches your product size and select it. You may use the available tabs for easy access. Click Replace with my product image to select your product. Once your product has been replaced, you need to resize it to fit well with the image. Once you're okay, click on Confirm Product Position. Well done if you've come this far, because we're almost there. Now select your preferred image and click on Image to Video Avatar to generate your video. Your video has been generated. Let's add a script to decide what message we want to communicate to our viewers. Click on Use My Script. Select a suitable voice or clone your own voice. Provide your script in the text to audio field provided and click Generate. Congratulations! Your video has been completed. Give it a title, choose your resolution, and export. You can download your video or copy the link. Let's see the results.
Juice so good it deserves a standing ovation. Say hello to brand name Juice, where fruits throw the wildest flavor party in your mouth, packed with juicy vibes, natural goodness, and a whole lot of this isn't just juice, it's a fruity adventure in every sip. No fake stuff, no boring sips, just pure, pulpy, punchy deliciousness. Sip happy, live juicy, grab yours now and let the fruit fiesta begin.
This is amazing, right? I'm glad to inform you that you can have a full access to all these powerful tools for just $19 per month and $119 yearly. As you can see, there's an ongoing discount slashing a whole $57 once you subscribe yearly. Click on the link in the description to subscribe to Topview AI and enjoy these powerful tools. Thanks for watching. Let's get interactive in the comment section.